calculate the square of minus 3 whole number 9/17. That's what I want to look at. Solution. We have minus 3 whole number 9 divided by 17. So we want to find the square. Now the first thing you need to do, you should know that 3 whole number 9/17 is a mixed number. So the first thing is that you need to convert this number to an improper fraction. You are converting this number to an improper fraction first. That's the first thing you need to do. Now, converting to an improper fraction. 17 times 3, what do we have? That is 51. Now, 51 plus 9 will give us what? 60. So this is going to give us 60 divided by 17. So square. Now, what do? We can now write this as what? Minus 60 divided by 17 times minus 60 divided by 17. Now, we can easily multiply the numerator because we have zeros. 0 with 0. So we bring the two zeros together. But 6 times 6, that's 36. So it means that 60 times 60 will give us 3,600. Now let me show you how to calculate 17 times 17. Though 17 times 17 is a perfect square, 17 times 17 will give us 289. So in that case, let me show you. 17 by 17. 17 times 17. Oh, 7 times 7, that's the first thing. 7 times 7, what do we have? 49. Then we do what? We carry 4. Right now, carry 4. 7 times 1, that is 7. 7 plus 4, that's 11. Now we now use 1 to multiply. 1 times 7, what do we have? That is 7. Then 1 times 1, what do we have? 1. What do? We add. This is 9. 7 plus 1, that is 8. Then 1 plus 1, that is 2. So you can see 17 times 17 is 289. And for this, I said 6 times 6, that's 36. Put the two zeros together. So it's very easy. So minus times minus, that's plus. So 6 times 6, that's 36. And we have two zeros. 0 here, 0 here, so two zeros. So we have 3,600 for the value of 60 times 60. So divided by what? What do we have? 289, which is the value for 17 times 17. So it means that this is something as 3,600 divided by 289. Now we need to express our answer in form of what? In form of a mixed number as our final answer. So in that case, we are going to consider what we call the long division. Long division. So we have 289. We have 3600. So in this case, how many of 289 can we see in 360 first? How many of that? 1. So in this case, 1 times 289, that is 289. Now let's take away. We have not used this 0. It's reserved there. Don't forget. So in this case, if you want to take away 360, 360 minus 281. So now, first you have to borrow 1 from here. To this 0, what do we have? We have 10. 10 minus 9, what do we have? 1. Don't forget we have 5 here, because we have borrowed 1. Now, we borrow 1 from this 3 also. To this 5, we have 15. 15 minus 8, that is 7. Don't forget what do we have here? We have 2. 2 minus 2, that is what? 0. Because we have already borrowed 1 to that 5. So 2 minus 2, 0. So it means that 360 minus 289 will give us what? 71. So don't forget, we have 0 here. So in that case, what do we have? 71 here. So we add the 0 that we have there. So in this case, 710 divided by 289. How many of these are we going to see here? Is it up to 3? If you check 289 by 3, 289 by 3 is going to be more than 710. So it means we have 2. So in this case, 710 divided by 289, we have 2. So 2 times 289, let's look at that. 2 times 9, what do we have? 2 times 9, 18. We carry 1. 2 times 8, 16. 16 plus 1, that is what? 17. We carry 1. Now, 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So we have 5. So in that case, let's take away. We take away again. What do we have? We borrow 1, this 1 from here. It becomes 10, we have 2. Can you see? Now we have 0 here. Borrow 1 from 7 to 0. We have 10. 10 minus 7. We have 3. Don't forget this is 6 here, because we have borrowed 1 from here. 6 minus 5, that is 1. So you can see the remainder is 132. Now, 132 divided by 289, you can see this one cannot go inside this again. So it means these are remainder. The remainder is this remainder R, and this is what we call quotient Q, and your divisor. This is your divisor. And don't forget, this is our what? Dividend. This is our dividend. So in that case, it means that we can now have our final answer to be equal to what? Your quotient first. 12 whole number. Remainder. 12 whole number. 132 over divisor 289. So it means that the square of minus 3 whole number 9 over 17 is the same thing, is equal to, that is, the answer is 12 whole number 132 over 289. So that is the answer to the question. Thank you.